Sawubona guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Kama nami Josie, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma into ezenzeke real life. Ufuna story nesikahle senzeke empilweni yakho that you cannot share with the next person. Please inbox aku TikTok. Mina ngizokuphi number la ungasenda khona story sakho. Ngize nendlebe wena uze nendaba neli mina ngilethe indaba yakho ngapha. Abalaleli bethu bakuphi advice or uyahlahla ngindaba ya how cause yey siyagowa sonke shem. Everyone akekho umuntu ongathi mina ngiyenko ungabe ugowa emsebenzini ku personal life yakho ku family life mohotle mo motherhood yonke into sisterhood siblings rival yonke into rago but masihlangana ngeenkinga zethu refanele advices somewhere somehow siyancedana ukuhila osancedana ukuthi singadila kanjani nezinkinga zethu. Angakhohlwanga ukuthi ngithize ngizo bela kuyidore ngisikhulumile and then ngibabuza abantu ukuthi after the issue wayenza kanjani. I'm still going to do that. And guys, ngipholile la ngiyabonga for the messages, ngiyabonga kakhulu notice likoni mbolongo lempono ufana nobani ngihleka libone lesikhilu ukuthi le ntombazana likhuluma kakhulu. Ngiyabonga guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Okay, back to the story. Usisiyangibhalela guys yini sisiyangibhalela awushozi mina konke ngiyakubona bokuphi awushozi my mother ongizalile not the stepmother my mother ngibulela abantwana bami abayi4 and the whole time I didn't even know ukuthi I thought ukuthi ke bathobana le ngimona but I didn't think ukuthi ke mama waka. Okay, story time. Usisuthi awushozi mina ngikhule nginomntwana lo athi ngikhulele umntwana lo mangicala ngiphatha stage like bengiganga athi bengiganga bengilabantwana laba abajumpa ama fence bengilabantwana laba abaphuma bathi bayofunda bangafundi batsamaye bayikodi bashing benginomntwana lesikhathi sinama bash ma street bash bengintwana onjalo. So awushozi akele ngwana monjalo angenza u grade 11 so kuyophela u grade 11 kube ukuthi ngiyapreka ke cause bisilevel engijola ngapreka ora awushozi umama mbe ahlala asho uma ungapreka ngizokuxosha bekuyinto vele bekuyiqulo lakhe la everyday nathi upreke kuphela yangiso sadile upreke kuphela ngizokuxosha uthi bekuyinto ayikhuluma all the time. Awushozi ngebhadi neswa mangithi grade 11 ngibhale exam find out befuthi ngafind out ukuthi pregnant mina myself ngibone umama wase next door. Mama next door atshela umama ukuthi umntwana wakho marumbonile phela seka round yangisolisa ngathi ukhetshile mina ukuthi I'm pregnant. Umama mangithathi wona sathi vula lesiso ubona uthi ngivulisisa uthi mangivulisiso vele abona ukuthi ikhona into of vula babele or awushozi mina umama lo ukuthi mina kubantwana bakhe bonke ne mina azange ngiphathe kahle. I know ukuthi ngiyomntwana ukuthi ngiyaganga and stuff but kubantwana bakhe bonke azange ngiphathe kahle and I felt ukuthi like bekangimistreata kwezinye izinto but as a child you don't like uxwayisa or no ulumama lo vele strict like that. Ngivula amabele awushozi ngithola ukuthi vele abona ukuthi vele sihleli pregnant vele atsiye athathe umshanel like ilfielo atshela ifelo awushozi angibethe athi ungithi uprekise ubani uthi vele ngisho ukuthi no uprekise uSipho kaMazibuko or awushozi kaMazibuko kuphi uthi vele ngisho dabo bani ngithi yebo lapho uthi okay kusasekuseni ngiyakubhakela amabheke wakho ngisho nomfazi angihlali nomfazi lana kwami kusasekuseni yonke into yakho ngiyakubhakela siyahamba siya kaMazibuko uyohlala khona ngisho wena so umfazi ukhona ukuzala ukhona ukuvula izinga uri awushozi umama wami lelo langa azange vele alale wangithethisa the whole night ekuseni ngisathi ngiphatha ubuthongo kahle umuntu wangivusi athi hey asambe ntombazana asambe wena uyogana ngisho uganile wena hambe kubo baba umntwana wakho or awushozi vele kuthola ukuthi ekseni mangivunga uthola ukuthi umama mvele umbhakele wonke improkhana zami nama plastics isemnyango or awushozi sikugeke sikhuphuka indlela seka Mazibuko uthi it was around to 6 uthi masifika kaMazibuko it was past 6 to 7 or awushozi abantu basavuka abantu abanye bayaphithizela estradini bayimisebenzini or awushozi agogote gateini makokota kuvulwekwe makuvulwa athi ngithi ngilethe umntwaneni angisho umntwaneni odla amaqanda wakwami nawo ake amaqanda ngwalethile uthi umama Mazibuko wangibona one time ngize umntwana wakhe, yabona, angibheki athi wena kusulo ngakutshela nini ngathi ungasaphinde ukuyela, yabona, ngithi athi manje sowuphinda ubuya ngesisu, wabona, uthi ukuthi abazali if wenza into wrong like bazokuthethisa vele, uthi vele ababathetha vele avuke vele uSipho makathi clubs vele angibone vele umama vele ambuza ukuthi waphrekisa umntwana wami, waphrekisa umntwana wami. uSipho ashozi bekathukiwe but like abele sivete sawura dumela athi yebo yimi angangiphiki. Kube ukuthi mama athi okay makaSipho wena mama Zibuko wena nomntwana wakho nizobona ukuthi niphuma kanjani ngalo mntwana because mina kwami akekho umfazi ozohlala kwami, ngimfazi ngi1 and ngifuna ukuphila ngi1, mina nginabantwana anginabafazi. Ashozi kube kanjalo ke umama mami angidrop off lapha energy. Uthi life yaqale kuba difficult ke komutsengi am young, intanga zami like ngilobona zi-enjoy impilo, mina I'm pregnant. Hayi umama Zibuko angitshele ukuthi mntanami ungidisappointile but ukusala ukuthi umntwana kwala, so ngeke mina ngize ngikuqoshe, uzohlala lana uzobe nomntwana after umntwana makaba khona uphindele esikolweni sesi, angeke ke sizwe ngawo. Okay awushozi sharp. Hayi kube ukuthi vele ngiyahlala umntwana uba khona, umntwana makakhona awushozi umama vele umntwana amthokomele. Umntwana wakhe ubazalwa Antwara Switch Antwara Switch awushozi abe umama Mazibuko uyahamba ke uya kumama uyomtshela ukuthi hayi mfazi umntwana khona umntwana befuthi nomntwana omfana, atshela umama. Okay sharp awushozi nibe nomntwana around June the following year. Mangiba nomntwana ngaleso sikhathi ngimele ukuthi umama uzoza azongithatha kilobona orase azobona umntwana angezi umama. Awushozi umama mangenzi kuzokushaya uDecember ke umntwana manje se almost 5 to 6 months. Shaya December umama makazange, umama makamfoneli, we no longer communicate, asikhuluma inhlobo. Uthi awushozi vele around December kube ukuthi vele ngitshela uSipho ngithi no mina I need to go back home ngiyobona abasekithi nabantwana basekithi, so bengicela ukuthi ngihambe ke. Uthi ngicela umama Zibuko vele avume, angitshela athi intombazana wazi ukuthi next day ubuyela esikolweni, angifuni intombazana izohlala la ingangeni isikolo. Hayi uSipho angikhaphe awushozi bakama bheke. uSipho uyafunda leso sikhathi yena beka ku matric ke mina ke ngicina ka grade 11 kodwa ngiphasile but ngifuna ukuthi ngicedelele grade 12. Uthi okay sharp awushozi ngiyangikhaphe sikithi. Uthi vele mangifika vele kithi kumnandi badlala music December like December vibe, ngizavele nomntwana, I'm happy ukuthi ngizoba khomba umntwana nami ukuthanga ngani kulobo umntwana nami soyahlala ngifuthi ikilobona. Uthi vele mangingena vele ngivula umnyango mama makathi claps abona ukuthi yini, athi ufunani wena la. Awushozi kibe shocked orhani me uchaza ukuthini, athi ngithi ufunani wena la, fundisa abantwana bami ukufeba babancane, ngicela ukuthi ujike ukuthi ujikubela la ufa ukuthi uhlala khona, ngeke ukuthi uje. Awushozi me ola angikuba for the second time manje wangiqosha nomntwana nami. Uthi mama mvele wangiqosha awushozi ngabe sengiyaphindela uSipho makafike kibo, hawu nami sengiyavela futhi. Ha manje ngiyamchazela ukuthi no mama ungiqoshile uthi ngizofundisa abantwana bami abantwana bakhe ubufebe, so I had to come back. Hayi uSipho achazela umama wakhe kube ukuthi uSipho uyaqeda umatric awushozi afethu ufitha matric, mina still ngisasekhabo uSipho leso sikhathi. The following year makaSipho vele ngitshela ukuthi intombazana back to school, uthi ngibile esikolweni awushozi. Hayi ke nesikolo ke matric bakho umntwana wami futhi athi 1 year, umntwana wami uyahamba azacala vele akhulume sathi second year awushozi ngicedile ke umatric ka apply ngibe nelucky ukuthi bang accept ngi-apply kulekolo lezi abantu lezi government la apply khona zenising and then bayathatha ke ufunda usebenza things like that. Uthi awushozi vele ngibe nelucky vele bang accept ke lapho, ngihambe shimntwana ngabo Sipho, ngihambe vele ngihambe ngiyelapha esikolweni ohlala khona. Hayi uSipho na impilo yakhe ube ukuthi uyafunda awushozi afethu afceda ukufunda ube ukuthi useyaqala ke uyasebenza. Hayi impilo yakuchubeka awushozi. Mina umama masina no communication, as communicate mina nomama mami ngifunde mangizama ngifonela abantwana abasekithi because bebangana amafoni, mangibafonela makazothi imuntu phone akafuna ukuthi bakhulume nami vele kusho ukuthi ngaluza i-contact nomama nabantwana abasekithi. Hayi awushozi ngifunde kube ukuthi kubukhona umamkhulu wami vele umunye ngimfonele ngimchazele situation ukuthi kwenzakalani ngomama mami in but ngamtshela ukuthi bangiacceptile ngisesikolweni angikho around, yabona. Ngimtshela ukuthi ukhuluma nomama into yakhe imphatha kabuhlungu, mamkhulu avume. hayi awusithozi umamkhulu ahambeke ayakhuluma vele nomama khulumeni umama amchazela ukuthi umntwana ongifonelile uthi into eyenzakalayo yena imphatha kabuhlungu uyabona uthi hayi awusithozi kube ukuthi vele umamkhulu amuthela amanzi emhlane data mama makafuna ukungena athi mina ngizodila nomfazi lo ntombazane lozifundisa abantwana bami ubufebe kuba umagama watshela umamkhulu angifonele angitshela athi you know what Zandile ngizamile umama akafuni uthi uzofundisa abantwana bakho okay izinto ezisnacks because yena wakukhuza ukuthi akafuni umntwana ngapha wena wajampa izwi lakhe wabasokuba nomntwana so indaba yenu ke inzima angisakhoni ke ukungena okay awusozi no problem ise ukuthi you know what this thing ngizodila nayo ngiyami indlela ngizozela esikoleni ngizicedele ngizisebenzele ngizibhekele umntwana wami ngibheke noma kaSipho because of Makasipho she's been there for me naye ungithengela impahla ungithengela ama-pads ungithengela ini cause mina noSipho besingasebenzi besifunda so everything beyilaya emahlombeni wakhe azange ngitreat snacks azange ngibalabalele yes ungithethisele lo langa makangibona for the first time but from there waba nothando umama waba nothando for umntwaneni wami Awusozi ngifunde ngicede mangiceda ke ngiyenze into le uthi ngisebenze ke uthi makude ufunda anything usebenza for i-community i-first year yakho uthi awusozi gebereke irol gebereka mangicala ngisebenza umama ezwe ukuthi ugeli phela ufundile abone ku status ku social media uthi ngifundile bize ngigraduateile futhi ngithole nomsebenzi kube ukuthi one time awusitshoziki koMeroko befuthi leso sikhathi bengisebenzela kwesinye isibhedlela but a distance nala ngivela khona la behlala khona iBosipho yabona uthi hayi angifonele mangifonela unjani Zandile ngikhona I think ukuthi it's high time singaqala sikhulume sisi seminingi leminyaka or awushozi kana kuyongona kunale 6 full years seyiminingi leminyaka I feel ukuthi ngimele ukuthi ke si reconnect sizokhuluma nabantwana sebakhulile yabona uthi hayi senses uthi awushozi sephela nami sengiba happy ukuthi finally my mother uzobona ukuthi nami I deserve uthando lwakhe uthi hayi ngitshele uSipho ukuthi Sipho umama ufuna ukukhuluma nami and stuff Sipho athi hayi mina baby angi-advise le ndaba le lo muntu umntwana ozaliwe waza wabangaka azangafuna ukuba involved empilweni yakho namuhla all of a sudden ufuna ukubuya empilweni yakho yini ayifuna empilweni yakho ngilabona ora awushozi ipartner yami ingavumi leso sikhathi mina noSipho si right mina Makasipho si right Makasipho she was the best mother-in-law ngaba na emhlabeni uthi hayi awushozi isikhathi sihambe same time but like I was so excited icala sengikhuluma nabantwana sekithi sengiyabafonela sengiyabachecka ngiyakhona ukubathumela boma 300 500 for i-lunch box ngilabona ngibathumela ukuthi hayi nizobona ukuthi nibhatanisa kanjani or awushozi uSipho angitshela ukuthi you know what baby I think isikhathi eside manje bengicela mawuya ekini ukhuluma nomama wakho salumtshela ukuthi thina sizothumela amandwendwe sizolobola or okay awushozi vele ngibifike vele ngibe ku off weekend off ngihambe ngiyikithi or awushozi mangifika umama vele angijabulele like ngenye indlela snacks ajabule biza umakhelwane umntwana moyi nurse njanja like abe so proud like abe boastful vele ukuthi kilobona like abele that thing or ke mo fama hitla ngwana high nurse in yabona uthi hayi mangifika awushozi ke besingamchazela ukuthi ke uSipho bangithumile ukuthi bazothumela amahadi babaxo unthi amahadi so that's the main reason ngila and futhi the second reason ukuthi uthi sesizokhuluma hayi mama apologize for yonke leminyaka emisile emntwaneni afise angitshela ukuthi ufisa ubona nomntwana silungisa izinto yena uyaxolisa everything ayenza ikabi ukulaka bekuyi-anger ukuthi ngamdisappointa i-community now that ngiziredemile she feels like ukuthi wahluleka ukudlala i-role yakhe esumzali and ugogo emntwaneni so uyafisa ukuthi mina naye sibe right awushozi as umntwana wazi ukuthi like umzalo selina emhlabeni umama wakho angeke uhlale ungamxoleli awusoze ngithwarele mamaka ngimthwarele hayi kube ukuthi vele sengiyareturna phela ngale ukuthi hayi mina nomama se right befuthi uyavuma ukuthi ningaletha amandwendwe awushozi organizeiwe ikibo sipho vele as a prepared answer chelete befuthi ku the following month ku organize ukuthi bafuna ukucedelela afuna udira diafafu hayi kucedelwe level umali vele mama ayithathe hayi awushozi sidlule isikhathenyana kube ukuthi ke sesa prepare vele exchange ama gifts ke senza i-traditional ceremony hayi isikhulume nomama akhulume nomamkhulu ahlanganise befamily kwenziwe vele umcimbi vele ukugiftana ne-traditional ceremony kudluleke or awushozi from there kube ukuthi nami emsebenzini ndombela seziyacaca sengisebenza kwenye indawo manje sesikuthoma uku-applyela koloyi bayi approve gibali koloyi uthi the first person engimkhombile imoto ngahamba ngiya kumamazali first person ngahamba ngomkhomba ke mother-in-law workerekile koloyi like umama abe ajabuli like abe happy indaba vele ifike vele enzansi ekhaya ikibo sipho phezulu ikhaya kusenzansi fike vele enzansi ukuthi hayi sibonile uzandi uthenga umshini befuthi ule ikibo sipho yokhombisa umakasipho or awushozi sekibo sipho kumnandi sirekile cool drink mama siphupha ubhekile kumnandi like we are excited mama aze sayangena esangweni masithi umama afike athi Zandile mntwana waze wangihlaza uthenga into enhle uthi unento enhle ibona abantu bangaphandle before ibona yimicala umuntu wakulethe emhlabeni yabona ora usuzikibona umuntu ubaxo idirathele ngi apologize because like lo muntu lo enginayi makasipho sengisana esumama because like she was there when I needed help where nobody was there for me but then uye bekakhona uthi ngi apologize umama vele apologize ngimthathe ngihambe naye emotweni ngimkhomba ngize ngimgibeza imoto vele ngehle ngina ekhaya khomba ama siblings wami life imimnandi awushozi kube ukuthi sesithenga indlu mina noSipho simove out ikibo Sipho sesohlala together ke manje the whole time esihlala khabo Sipho or awushozi masimovela endlini kube ukuthi umama wami first week lesithenge ngayo indlu simove in ngayo umama wami angicele athi ucela ukuthi azovakasha azobona la sihlala khona ngilabona or awushozi no problem kidumela cause kimtswadi waka but imthe ukuthi uma ngasipho bekathize uzoza cala nefamily kibo Sipho bazobona indlu yethu and then sothi makajika makasipho then ngizokutshela ukuthi wena uzeke uzoza noma mkhulu indaba ibe kanjalo or awushozi hayi makasipho bese vele nefamily nama families leso sikhathi makasipho ilesikhathi sebamdiagnose ngakhona bekasela gula vele wadlula wagula bekaphethwe icancer unfortunately umuntu wahlangahlangana makasipho ahlangahlangane kube ukuthi makasipho uyashona ke singcwaba ugogo umakasipho Sipho naye khulise single parent ngokumama kubeyangana baba so makashona ugogo kusale abantwana besekibo Sipho ke endlini la bukhaya khona ugogo thina sisinendlu yethu uthi after the funeral awushozi umama mvele aze endlini makeza endlini awushozi umuntu oze for a weekend azobona la sihlala khona because rekha from Lesotho uthi umama angahambi awushozi angahambi athi no ngoba niyasebenza and nalo muntu anisebenza la nithi uzohamba nini ngizoza mina ngizohlala nyana isikhashenyana ngimbhekele umntwana manje emsebenzini uSipho at first angavumi uSipho umama makamthandi akamfoni at all because of lento angenza yona so like we are pretend kona uxore ngeke matswalo wagage uSipho nje athi mina ngithanda ukuthi umama kazohlala la more than 2 days if bayeza kahlale 1 day alale the following day ahambe yabona kube like a argument between me and Sipho because of I feel or ke batla rato le mtswadi because umakasipho was there for me na but akasi mmewaka only single fasting nangibamba hayi uthi awushozi kube ukuthi vele umama uyeza ke uyahlala ucheck umntwana usisiluke bekasikhathela umntwana akekho uhambile ekhaya mama ucheck umntwana usisibekemile ukuthi ahambe 4 days ke then uyabuya angitshela mama ukuthi no what usisi uzohamba 4 days but uzobuya usisi angahambi 4 days ahambe 3 days ilangeni lobo4 abuya usisi lo sikhathela umntwana makabuya ngitshela umama ukuthi usisi ubuyele hayi kusasa ngizothi mangishayisa ngikhapheke or awushozi mama athi no why ufuna ungixosha angajahanga musingane yami angajahanga lo mntwana lo uzale wabaza wabamkhulu ngingamboni manje like ngifuna ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngikoko wakhe uyi-1 ophila emhlabeni or awushozi ithabo ukhana gore adule ngivomeke ngitshele my husband ukuthi you know what uthi uzohlala ingane isikhashanana but uthi uzohamba. Hayi uthi awushozi umuntu angafuni ukujika uthi ngihlale phansi nenene yami ngimchazele ukuthi umama ola enhlala like la hlala khona i2 bedroom house, so umama umneneni nomntwana abashela iroom. So ngithi you know what ngoba umama ola maybe uzocede a week or 2 bengicela ukuthi ungajika but remember ukuthi it's not your fault ukuthi ujika, mina ngizokubhadala lamalanga la umama ahleli lana ungawasebenzi ngizokukhokhela, but as soon as umama hamba ngizophinda ngifonela uphinde ubuye angicoshi just because of nginesivakashi and uthi ufuna ukubonda nomntwana. So ngifuna ukuthi kusasa abe ukuthi wena athi wena mdisturb uthabonde nisukulu sakhe. What awushozi politely so usisi avume azathi ayi kuzoba ngathi leave yami ngena nengiphumule. Okay sharp. What awushozi umama manje sekayi primary caregiver ke umntwana mbuye seyamthokomela uphela lena check everything. Uthi okay no problem. Remember awushozi umama beyangamfuni umntwana and beyangamfuni abantwana bakhe bazassociate nami. Hayi uthi awu ngilamalanga ngisemsebenzini babakhe no semsebenzini uthi angifonile mama yasi sinazandile umntwana ngiphuma ugwebo umntwana hlangahlangana angazi bekangaphandle angazi ukuthi udle ini engaphandle engamthandi yo ngicela ukuthi uthumele ambulance masinya or awushozi engitatazele uthi ngitatazele kube ngathi angisiyimi usister ure ke tatazele ke sathi bataba jaka ngibe ukuthi vele ngiyabatshela ukuthi no iambulance ayigijima yolanda umntwana nami ngizesala emuva ngemoto or awushozi ngibe sengene emotweni ngiyagijima ke mangifika ngithola ukuthi ambulance sefike phambi kwami bafike vele bastrap umntwana bathi fanele simrashe sesibhedlela. Awushozi alifika esibhedlela umntwana ufike abanda umntwana ushonile just like that. Uthi awushozi umntwana usonile as understand uthone kanjani ngibuza mama kwenzakaleni uthi umntwana beyangaphandle adlala ngebhola angazi ukuthi kwenzekeni mina sengimbona lele phansi aphuma igwebu ngomlomo kube istory saka mama. What awushozi I had to call my husband and tell him ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Mina nomleso sikhathi beyangasebenzeli eduze basebenzele ekudeni. What awushozi he had to drive back asendlini. Awushozi umntwana ushonile umntwana kwenza i-postmortem umntwana udle poison mama umntwana udle ini mina ngazi umntwana bekadlala ngaphandle ngiyabhola yabona. So now ikilona like emzode how ngingabi nokuthi uyenze something inganeni ngingabi nayo at all ngibe ukuthi iphutha but my husband athi no man lani jardini umntwana ngadla in snacks cause like kuna lejwang and I don't think ukuthi khona into angayidla umntwana isna like my husband like abilayele especially knowing ukuthi mama makamfuni abiyelele ukuthi hayi man mama khona into ayenzile umntwana. Mama khale apologize athi ngiyazithola ukuthi ngihlala la ngithi kufuna ubona umntwana manje umntwana sekashonile sekublame mina ngiyaxolisa azange ngimenze next umntwana akahlala ngaphandle ngebhola ngithi ngiyaphuma ngamthola mina lele phansi aphuma ugwebu. Awushozi as painful as it was umntwana ethu oyi1 sibe ukuthi yes prepare lo mncwabo sibulunga umntwana after the funeral. Awushozi mama athi mina abantwana bami ngoba bengithi ngizobheka umntwana kasekho mina ngicela ngikhulule ngizele ekhaya. Or awushozi ahambe kanjalo mama after 10 days umntwana ahambe vele. Hayi umntwana masela shonile awushozi sengiphithengisene indoda yami ke endlini manje. My husband Angela athi you know what I think ukuthi it's best if we cut ties no mama. I feel ukuthi ngifila a bad energy umama or awushozi ngoba umama ngiyamthanda and it's difficult for me to let go umzali wangikhulisa ngavumi ngithi no like wena so blame umama and umama uyachaza ukuthi umntwana beyangaphandle. What if uphathe something a poisonous or something like bengamthandi in poison like it's not ukuthi umama angapha umntwana ipoison akungibelieve and mina ngeke ngikhona ukuyekela umama okimtswada yakhe kamorata wabona. Ora awushozi kube ukuthi mina noyini wami sesiyacabana vele like sesiyacala sayakana ngamagama ukuthi wena ngoba umama akasekho emhlabeni sofuthi ukuthi nami acting ngathi wami umama akasekho akasaphili. Uthi awushozi isikhathi siye sicaleke sihambe counseling because this death umntwana affect lenyalo lakhe yaffecta my personal life angisakhona ukucope. Uthi ngama regrets ukuthi wabe ngihambisa usisi lube kade umntwana izinto ezinjalo buthi sesihamba ke itherapy hayi izinto izilunge isikhathi siye awushozi hayi my husband anje athi no I think it is time ukuthi singazama umunye umntwana cause manje sesine empty nest and the reason siba nama conflict ukuthi sesijwayele ukuthi khona umuntu oyi3 between us so now uma kungasekho la kuba difficult hayi awushozi kube ukuthi sazama ke ukwenza umntwana uthi senza umntwana hayi umndimo aruqele arabless kama twin. I was pregnant, excited. I wanted to tell my mother, but my husband was like, no, don't tell anyone in izinto zinjalo because of sesnefie phela sishonelo. Awushozi ngisifihle isiso ngisifihle ezabantwana bambazala. Abantwana bami maketuzala ngitshela umama ukuthi yo mother uNkulunkulu ungiblesse ngabantwana unabazivilo abayi2 babafana. Alright, awushozi mama athi say no more ngizoza ngizobabona. Ha uthi mama afike. Or awushozi boshobo mama akaxele ngabona ne. Wafika endlini athi ngilobona like umuntu afike ashocked. Like I understand ukuthi ngimfihlelile ukuthi nginabantwana ubabona sebakhona emhlabeni but ule abe shocked or how abanabantwana. Or awushozi he wamomzali animas uthi abantu afike athi ya phela la kuzoba nesithunzi semnyama kushonela umntwana so kumele ukuthi isibizo umakhosi azocleansa lendlu le acleansela for labantwana laba because labantwana laba fanele ukuthi bangaboni lesithunzi semnyama esiselelana endlini so lo mntwana uqala. Or ashozi into ekhuluma like ibe license ukuthi we need to cleanse the house that is cleanse ukuthi lo mntwana lo ukhona angabe nomona azohama laba yabona akhulume nami abulelele na or ashozi ngitshela husband was like no ways ayekho umntwana wami ozoperformiwa ama rituals lo mntwana lo uRobert ka Khotso malenkoteni I don't think ukuthi ifika ngalala ngkhotso uzoba nalabantwana bayi2 or ashozi mina wami uthi mama unconvince aritama yokumakhosi mona gago abantwana labazoshona you lose your kids because of your husband into engikhuluma ngayo ngayazi ngimdala ngilalela zandini or awushozi ngibe ukuthi mina ngiyino maka emsebenzini mina ngoff sithatha abantwana mina nomama sithe emotweni sihambe siye kumakhosi kaMama asifika umakhosi athi ya nise just in time abantwana babe in danger benhloba grab aqhokufetsi so mina ngizonceda or awushozi umuntu athunisela abantwana bami leso sikhathi bebana 2 months thunisela abantwana bathunisela kalihlara bathunisela kalihlare angiphi umuntu ukuthi ngibageze ngibayenzeni ngayonke izinto or awushozi nakuse kushukile ukuthi phela my husband if angabona le mithi le ngizoba senkingeni uthi ayisendlini or awushozi angaphelanga a week one of my twin acala agule like agule ablockeka ngibona ukuthi hayi this thing ngathi ba serious ngithatha umntwana ngimise esibhedlela mafika esibhedlela bathi no umntwana ublockekile like ma12 kuba ngathi unale pneumonia yabona ublockekile umntwana akakhona perform or awushozi kemakala jwang labantwana beba healthy nini uthi lona makagula the other twin nayo licala eligule the same thing ukuthi umntwana uyablockeka like athi ukilobona like kube ngathi umntwana like bamsuffocate umntwana babantwana bambayithuba babe like that but athi into hospital awushozi abantwana bamalele 2 days esibhedlela both of them died because of death in the holy pneumonia. Boyithuba shona awushozi I didn't even tell my husband ukuthi ngaya enyangeni ngahamba nomama wami because I didn't even say anything. Mntwana bashonile siphenda futhi umnqwabo for abantwana bayi2 awushozi reboloke after 10 days mama katsamai abole gagage uthi like ingihite awushozi like lapho ingihite ukuthi umama mone sandla na uthi I kept asking myself those questions but ngithi no especially bathi pneumonia I don't think ukuthi umama angaza fakela abantwana pneumonia kilobona or awushozi angibona ukuthi medically man hayi it makes sense because abantwana bambe angakhona performula abantwana bambe bangasi right like bebangasi right yabona or awushozi ngikhiphe i secret from my husband ngamtshela ukuthi abantwana sabayisa kumakhosi ngifike ngibe umsadi wawalidi phiri ngivuthulele ngizibhela ngidla khona ngithi tu hayi awushozi isikhathi sihambe besingasazame vele kuba nomntwana cause now sesiluze 3 abantwana like we are trained asatse boriring asatse baqophele komorago kube ukuthi singazami kanjalo how isikhathi masini find out ukuthi I'm pregnant. Mangifanga ukuthi ngipregnant, ngidecide ukuthi you know what, I'm not going to tell anyone. Uthi ngatshela umuntu ke, ngamtshela even my husband, ngithule uthi mangirecha imarket 3 months ngibe singamtshela ke umyeni ukuthi I'm pregnant, umntwana wethu was 4. Or actually by then imshado wami nomyeni wami bongasese right because of besilwela ukuthi I'm siding with my mother. Ngivumela ukuthi umama acontrol endlini kwami, yena amyena khona like inale kayime nakutsela wena ul grade 11 student ule pregnant, nale guy wena o dira matric o sa robala boshego o bala, mama ka tlhokomela ngwana, nale guy wena o tsamaya o ya sekolong yena mama ka sala le ngwana, nale guy yabona like be kuma fights wethu ke wa every day sibanga my mother. Ura shuzi na me odiweni ke mrata ka teng ne bengakuboni ukupi angenza kona after sesixoleleni, bengakuboni because of I felt like I needed my mother. I needed a sense of belonging, which I belong kule khaya, like bengidinga lento leyo. Or I was so excited. I decided to tell my younger sister, but you know what, uNkulunkulu uzosiphisa ngomntwana kangwana wabo4. So I'm excited. Ngikhona ukuzapho. I just want to keep this a secret for my mother. Ungamtsheli anybody else. What like excitement there, you cannot contain yourself. You just want to share those good news with someone else. Or naholi that moment kanakweyo. Hayi umntwana sikithi kanti uyotshela umama ukuthi no uzandile uthi pregnant umntwana oboy4. Or awusozi obona pregnancy imponisitse mamaka ukuthi umuntu onjalo. Hayi sibhududu umama ese ilina malanga ngibe emsebenzini umama ukhona endlini. Hayi unjani ayisapolisana uthole my husband akhona mina bengekho. Hayi ngithi ngizonhlola ukuthi njani after umntwana sekashonile abantwana sibashonile. Hayi sayi ngibe right hayi ngi right athi hayi kwana sadile. Hayi wangathi uprek food. Or ashuzi motuvela amangala. Ngiyabona phela lesi round uprek. Ngiyanibongela yazi. Umkhonyana ngiyanibongela uthi umuntu opretend ngathi excited for us. Hayi athi ngiyanibongela. Or ashuzi hayi kube ukuthi ka malume wami emakhaya kuba nomsebenzi. Akuba nomsebenzi ngithi sathi you know what, I just want to go ka malume because ikudala mina ngingababona abantu laba, especially I just want to go to my grandmother's tombstone ngiyomchazela ukuthi kwenzakeleni ngempilo yami ngisale ngiphahla. Or awushozi bekanjalo my husband vele avumelane nayo athi okay baby hamba ke uthi ngihambe nawo one of my cousins si drive reko hamalumaka. Uthi hayi awushozi kube ukuthi vele ke siyahamba ke mina with one of my cousins on Friday morning sambe ke drive si emakhaya. Masifike emakhaya awushozi kube ukuthi vele ibe Friday yomcimbi. So abantu basabheka basaphithizela. Mina ngithi ngcono ngithathe isneif ngihambe ngemathuneni. Ngiyophahla ebuthuneni la gogo before everything is start. Yabona? Uthi awushozi like la kamalume wami nasemathuneni is not far. But ngithi you know what? Emangabe ngimoto ngisala ngibatshela ukuthi ngathenga imoto phela ngwenza everything. Uthi hayi ngihambe nekhasi nami ngize nayo ngifike vele ngiphahle ngifitse ngisibuye endlini. Masibuye ngibe ukuthi hayi man asithathi woko si shop ngiyabona. Uthi leso sikhathi I'm pregnant phela ngiyacrave or ngicrave unalama ice lawa agree nothing so my friend lawa nabona bali bizango sibalisa apple munch something uthi beya crave lama ice lawa. Uthi cousin imkhapha urashozi you know ukuthi endaweni kuba nogogo like or umme okhanyang litsa ngoro okela hafala breaking aba uthi siyambona like sombizo umankalimi oramona ngamankalimi inkali rokotsa high izidabukile vele less of dresses esigcokile vele uyaza uthi vele wakhanta urawanta vele uzavele direct kimi urashozi kuyathuka umuntu angakhuluma ukuthi pregnant anga-occupy like le ndaba likulona. Uthi makeza awusozi thina siceda ukuphuma esitolo sibethenga lama ice. Uthi makeza aza direct yimi. Uthi makafika wandlula like arukulwa umuntu afite makutondlula ami thina sesidlulile shuthi yena sothi u behind la yabona thina siyale uthi athi yey imandla lapho uthi vele sithuke uthi masithuka uthi abuye vele ashape u10 ora fitla awustodi ambethe molhitle pa about 3 times uthi why usaphakama awubona gore ma ubolayela abantu awubona gore ma ubona awusuze ngikhuluma nomuntu ohlanya a crazy person awubona gore ma ubolayela abantu awubona gore ma una le muntu awubona gore ma unya gore mona awushiye awuboni uthi awusuze mangijika ne uthi ngibheka lo muntu ungqolile unalimamila unalidi isibiza ini amahlahahla yini isipedi khuluma ngesipedi yabona unale those things yabona athi ngithi nyampe arikere ma obulaya bana arlo o lenkoma lengu utsileng obulayela bana bafethi tsoga mai uthi asuze umuntu vele abe harsh kimi uthi bekushisane go like ka utlwa phefu same time uthi I didn't even know what happened umzimba wami vele like waba go shock ukuthi like lo mama uthini wala ashoza umama lo makuthi uhamba uthi after makuthi ukukhuluma lona lokho athetha vele uthi ukhuluma any harsh manner ahamba ore ashozi kwaba ne moment of silent between mina ne cousin yami uthi cousin yami athi ezandi asambise endlini uthi ngimtshele ngithi mina girl asithatha imoto sijike this thing it's beyond me I cannot proceeding anything uthi kazi athi yimi athi before uhamba bengicela ukuthi at least ukhulume no lemkhatshama lo mama lo and umtshela ukuthi you are living due to in bangabe ukuthi umuntu osinakusisa uphakeme yabona uthi hayi mangifika endlini ngibeka umkhatshama lo mphansi ngimchazela ukuthi no ngihlangane nalo muntu lona umtshela 1 2 3 4 and I don't feel ukuthi ngisazochubeka ngaba la cause ki shocked mokele ngoteng uthi umama lo awusuze athi yimi athi mina if benguwe bengizothi mangijika ngijike ngihambe ngiyobheka ukuthi lo muntu into ayikhulumayo iqiniso angitshela athi ngisho nabantu abafundile nesihambile izinto nesihambayo if ungafuna ukuya kumakhosi ukhona umunye umama la phezulu umama osebenza ngamanzi hambuye kuye ubone ukuthi ngeke abone something na but mawufuna ukuya kumakhosi ungakhapha mina kumakhosi uhamba uyozwa ukuthi into lo muntu akhulumayo iqiniso na ora ashuzi ngimbuza umama lo ngithi wena if uyimi bongayenza njani yabona hayi umama lo mangitshela athi zama labantu abayi2 if bakhuluma into e1 efanayo ama steps wakho uzobona ukuthi wathatha kanjani ashuzi kuritsama sitha sambeni kumakhosi ashuzi umama lo adrop everything it was Friday ilanga lomcimbi adrop everything athi buya ngokhaphi ora ashuzi rifikle kwa uthi masifika umakhosi athi mathambo phansi makhosi mathambo phansi everything umama ikhulumile every single detail ukuthi umama udla abantwana bami nalona sesisini uzomudla because of lihufa mona bekathena makangicosha ngiyohlupheka ngibe yintsha ngingabi nothing but ndimaza ngantahla wangithumela efamily abazongibhuda bangenza umuntu so unomona kakhulu cause mina ngimntwana ukuthi angiveli kumbaba wakhe the husband owamshada mina nama siblings wami ashare ubaba so izinto engizenzayo izinto zama siblings wami azenzayo asifani so unalihufa lo wayikinyalwa wayikeba le mereko wayikeba le bana wayikinyalwa family ngibandratanga uthi angichazela umakhosi hayi sihambeke awushusi ora suka umakhosi riya ku meeting ko Stenzedibe uthi masifika uStenzedibe everything Stenzediba ayikhuluma ukuthi my mother dangerous lana khona umele ukuthi ifana ukuthi acishene lo mntwana lo hayi ukuthi uyabasebenza abantwana akabasebenzi ubathi udira this because of lihufa unalihufa unalemona unalipremium usisi uthi awashoze impilo yami yaturn upside down, just like that. Uthi bengabelieve from the makhosi bengabelieve. Second, umama was sensitive wamethi uthi bengabelieve uthi kuringa amagama ka-husband wami ukuthi umama makamthanda, umama evil, mama makangifiseli kuhle. Uthi kuringa wona endlebeni yami the whole time. What I was just saying, bengafili kahle. Ngitshela mama lo ukuthi ngiyabonga, but I don't think ukuthi ngizohlala. I need to go back home la ngifila khona ukuthi ngicomfortable and safe. Uthi awushoze ngidrive ngibile emuva. Mangibile emuva uthi mangifika endlini awushoze my house. Ngithola my husband uhleli nomama, mama mncede ufika. Uthi usipha athi hawu ngicela ukuthi mama ukuthi wena phela uhambile kamali makho. Manje kwenzakaleni? Awushoze it was afternoon. Uthi azangikhona ukubheka umama. Azangikhona ukumbheka emehlweni, uthi ngivele ngathi angizizwa kahle ngifuna ukulala. Or awushoze azange ngitshele umyeni wami ukuthi kwenzekeni leso sikhathi. Vele ngafika ngangena ebhavini ngagibela empela ngathi ngicela ukulala. My husband wahlala nomama wami. Hayi wahamba ke. Mina mangiphaphama ngisho ubuthongo ukuthi mangiphaphama awushoze bekune epiring. Kanibiza side plate angel piring. Isosa. Bekune sosa inama biscuit ne juice next to my bed. Uthi without even thinking into his name, thathe ijuice because ngicela uphaphama. Ngithi uthi endlini bokuthulile. Ngidleke ijuice ngihlale ngidle. Uthi mangihlala after about 30 minutes my husband uyeza vele uthi hawu sovukile phela bengithaba ukudisturb the whole time. I didn't want to wake you up. Yabona uthi ayimtsho ukuthi ngivukile and ngiyabonga for ama biscuit. Uthi athi ama biscuit hayi lama biscuit labeka ku side table. Uthi my husband athi wo ayi boyenzele umama kuphi fahamba bekathi akwenzele isnack. What awushoze immediately athi ubowenzele umamakho or ngithukwe into ogcina. Ngithi umama ungene ngapha angibekele lezi zinto. Uthi hayi ubeke uwe athi mawuvuka uzophuza. Or awushoze ngabe sengathi sakuthi let me tell this man ukuthi what really happened ngempilo yami. Or ke botse monna wa ka ukuthi umntwana uqala my mother unesandla ukuthi ashone. Abantwana ababili my mother unesandla wangisa kokaya. Or awushoze like I can say every single thing. Uthi ngikhiphe yonke into ngitshela my husband athi now ngimtshela ukuthi I don't feel safe ukuthi into lengicela ukuyidla. So please let's go to the hospital and check out ukuthi ngiright na. Or awushoze must drive ana uthi bengifila ngihlele sitini ngifila ukuthi ngiba warm. Uthi ngifila ukuthi ngiba warm mangale ngiba warm wakiba warm. Uthi my husband ma driver masifike esibhedlela mangihlika bengicwila igazi awushoze nekitlethe imali. Fika bangichecke. Unfortunately the child that I was carrying shonile lose isisu. Awushoze immediately everything mecede wenzeka ngimfonele my mother ngimuza ukuthi uyajabula na ukuthi ubulala umntwana wami ubus 4 akujabulisa lamathuna wabantwana na. Or awushoze mama kaza ngamfedula ukuthi ari mama mvele was drop phone azangasho next. Mangithi ngifona back ifone ayingeni. Phone uyicishile. Ngihlala esibhedlele ngidischarge. Angithi discharge immediately ngihambe noSipho siyobona mama. Or awushoze masifika endlini sithi sifuna ukukhuluma naye asking her what's going on, what really happened. Or mutswadi atla anroha or anroha ambotele ke mhlola nkatengi diwekele ngisihlola sa ngwana akara nkhirile 9 months today atla mpolaela bana ke nyena. Or awushoze my husband was like we are going to open a case when isibhedlela abantwana athi athuka nomyeni wami uthi asithuka sonke. Or awushoze we had to ukuthi sovula a case for abantwana bonke. But rashapa ko hore a ukuthi asina proof ke hearsay hore we think but we batla proof hore o molaile ka nnete bambambile. But later on was ya release wa umama or as I no longer have a contact na siblings wami angisana contact no mama or ke bolelwana so ke chuana. I lost 4 kids, almost lost my husband. Izinto nomini wami namanje I'm still trying to patch things up nomini wami cause this thing ishekile linyalo laka, ishekile trust between us. Ukuthi I had to take abantwana ngibayise kumakhosi without him knowing or awushozi each and every time masingathi sihappy uyangikhumbuza are akitsibe hore linyalo laka le tlo survivor this remaining 7 months ishejeng ilengona 6 months ekhona esisiqalile yalonyaka or sizo divorce now cause awusana happiness bophilong baka or awushozi mama because of a hatred le jealousy destroyed the only thing bengiyazi yangikhulisa yangiphuthando or awushozi my life it's a mess because of my mother. I'm sharing this because of Gary. Sometimes we need to check about this plan up. Check about this plan, especially our family members. Cause uzozama upointer everyone. Kanti inyoka inawela ihleli next to you, knowing every move uyenzayo ngempilo yakho. Angeke lo angeke uma umuntu angathakathi uba nomuntu angeke ube nomona kangaka for umntwana omzalile ungafuthi umntwana wakho abe successful usabatla ngona enjoy ubuphilo ba high ufuthi umntwana wakho ahlule asuhle health wena wena hayi nina kanti siphila kweluphi umhlaba. Sure, bye guys.